Hey there developers! Today I'm going to walk you through GitHub, a must-have tool in your development arsenal. First off, what is GitHub? GitHub is a powerful platform that lets you collaborate, share code, and manage projects with ease. It's built on Git, a version control system that tracks changes to your code over time. This means you can always go back and see exactly what changed and when. With GitHub, you can create repositories to store your projects. Think of a repository as a digital folder where all your project files live. You can make changes, save them as commits, and keep track of every update. Collaboration is a breeze with GitHub. You can work with others by creating branches to build new features or fix bugs. Once you're ready, submit a pull request to get your changes reviewed and merged back into the main code base. Need to stay organized? GitHub has you covered with issue tracking, project boards, and milestones. These tools help you plan, track, and manage your work efficiently, making collaboration smooth and productive. One of the best parts about GitHub is the open source community. You can contribute to existing projects or start your own. It's a place where developers from around the world come together to build amazing things. So what are you waiting for? Start building on GitHub today. Thanks for watching and happy coding!